say, well, in 6 months, my eyesight's going to come back, because at this point, nobody knows.
Patients and one of North Texas' best-known eye doctors say bad medicine is causing partial blindness. Good evening, I'm Cynthia Izaguirre.
I'm John McKay. The patients in question went for routine cataract surgery. 24 hours later, they started losing their vision. News 8's Marie Saavedra talked to Dr. Jeffrey Whitman, the owner of the Whitman Eye Center. So, Marie, he says that this all comes back to the same pharmacy?
That's right, John, he does. And it's a local pharmacy here in Dallas that provides medicine to Whitman and other local doctors' offices. Whitman tells us that it's a specific mix of antibiotics and steroids that proved to be toxic to varying levels in varying patients. Now, he says that at this point, the biggest question is how many patients may have received this medication and where else it might have traveled.
And I kept telling my daughter that I was going to back out. She kept telling me, Mother, you've been through it once. It's going to be a piece of cake.
Carol Ralston was nervous before her cataract surgery in February, and she says her instincts proved right.
The procedure really is. It's no big deal. But I never dreamed I'd wake up the next day and couldn't see out of my eye.
Every day since, she says her view out of her left eye is a blend of blurry bright lights and flashes.
I can't watch TV and look through that left eye and see faces or the writing at the bottom.
You have persistent pupillary remembering.
Her surgeon was Dr. Jeffrey Whitman with Whitman Eye Center.
Well, I've been doing this for 31 years. I've never seen anything like this before.
He says Ralston is one of several patients who've had worse vision after receiving a common medication during cataract surgery. Whitman's traced the problem back to the surgical center that it shares with other doctors from outside offices in patients treated from January 31st to February 21st. Its investigation found there was a bad batch of one of the medicines used by up to 4 of those surgeons.
The medication was not made to specifications, and that is what most likely affected the retina.
Whitman says that batch was compounded in Dallas by Guardian Pharmacy Services. The pharmacy's owner tells News 8 they're analyzing the mixture and hope to resolve the issue as soon as possible. But we don't know where else they might have shipped this medication, how many other doctors, locally or elsewhere, may have used it, or how many patients are struggling to see.
I want to say there are probably between 20 or 30 that I'm working with right now.
And worry, like Ralston, that their vision won't return. In Dallas, Marie Saavedra, Channel 8 News.
If you had cataract surgery at Whitman and have any questions about it, there's a patient hotline that's been set up. That number is on your screen.